English Grammar Lesson. Much versus many. ESL Content Lab. Much and many are both used to describe quantities, but they are used with different types of nouns. Using much and many correctly helps you sound more fluent in English. Let's learn. Remember to test your new skills at the end of the lesson. Let's start with many. Many is used with countable nouns. But what is a countable noun? Countable nouns are things that can be counted as separate items. These are things that you can count one by one. Let's look at some examples. How many books are on the shelf? There are 5 books on the shelf. How many keys are on the ring? There are 4 keys on the ring. How many owls are in the tree? There is 1 owl in the tree. Book, key, and owl are countable nouns. Common quantifiers used with countable nouns are many, a few, several, a lot, and some. A few pencils. Several t-shirts. A lot of flowers. Some friends. Now, let's talk about much. Much is used with uncountable nouns. You might be able to guess the next part. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted as separate items. These are things that you cannot count one by one. Let's look at some examples. Knowledge, sand, air, and music are uncountable nouns. We use much when asking questions about uncountable nouns like water, time, sugar, and information. We also use so much in positive sentences to express a large amount of something. How much time do you have? There is so much information online. How much water is in the lake? There is so much sugar in this bag. Other quantifiers can also be used with uncountable nouns. Some time. A lot of information. Enough water. A little sugar. Let's test your knowledge. Pause to complete the exercises. How many books did you buy yesterday? How much milk is in the bowl? How much time will you need? How many friends do you have at work? I love my dog so much. Pause to complete the exercises. Let's keep learning. Like and subscribe for more English learning content.